Yep. Big boat, little ocean. I mean, little boat, big ocean. Couple of big waves. Yacht leaving.
Where?
The big yacht right in front of us leaving. He's heading out. Big yacht leaving. Yeah. Want to try fishing?
Sure.
All right, we're good. No? Maybe when we get closer to by the ramp area. We haven't had much luck fishing. See that thing floating? I don't know what that is. Some weird thing floating in the water. Like a tree branch or something.
I don't know.
Gotta figure it out. Looks like a stick, just a big stick. Yeah, this is a lot drier of a ride than it was on the way out. It's Fort Gorgeous. Did you want to go over there? Did you want to go over there? Alright, go down, head over that way. Alright, I mean it's still a ways over there.
I thought you said to slow down.
No, I did. You
Like,
came right to a
how are
stop.
you gonna go in? Straight?
See where that beach area is over
Which
there?
one? The one
Right there, in front of us.
where the birds are?
Yeah. No, not where the birds are, over there, by the fort.
The one right in front of the door.
Yeah. So we're gonna try and go into the Fort Gorges. And just watch out for whatever.
Rock.
Rocks and stuff.